Let's talk about how to use a limit buy order on your Stock-Trak virtual portfolio. First of all, what is a limit buy order? It's a type of order that is used to maximize profit, but it will not protect you against any loss. Let's go to the trading page to show you how to use a limit buy order. So, the idea for using a limit buy order is to buy a stock when it's cheap. So, for instance, if you want to buy Tesla stock, but you think right now it's too expensive, then you might use a limit buy order to purchase Tesla at the price that you think is a good deal. So if the current price is $219 and you think Tesla is a good deal at $200, then you would select a limit order, buy, and set your price at $200. What this means is that your order won't execute, so you won't buy any shares of Tesla until the price drops to $200 or below. As soon as the price drops below $200, as long as your order is still open, your limit buy order will be automatically executed and you will own a share of Tesla at $200. Make sure you set your duration as long as you want your order to be open. We'll review this order for Tesla at a limit price of $200, and then we'll place the order. You can see orders that have been placed but not executed yet under the Portfolio Simulation tab in Order History. You can see our order for one share of Tesla at the price of $200 is still open. That's how to use a limit buy order to make sure you can buy stocks at exactly your target price.